So in this video I will tell you how to fix your internet connection, so stay tuned. The first rule is rules out router issue. Before you troubleshoot your PC, it's a good idea to rule out any issue with your router. To check that, disconnect the Ethernet cable from your computer and connect it to another device if possible. If you experience similar issue with other device or encounter errors with your Wi-Fi connection, your router may be the culprit. In most cases, simply rebooting your router should fix the problem. If not, you may have to update the router firmware or contact your ISP, Internet Service Provider, for help. Rule number 2. Run the network and internet troubleshooter. If your router is not having issue, you can try running the network and internet troubleshooter or Windows. This tool will scan your system for common internet related issues and attempt to fix them. To run the network and internet troubleshooter, follow these steps. Step 1. Press Win plus I to open the system app and head to system troubleshoot. Rule number 2. Select other troubleshooter. Rule number 3. Click the run button next to network and internet and follow the on-screen prompts to run the troubleshooter. Rule number 3. Restart or update the Ethernet driver. Disable and re-enable the Ethernet adapter is an effective way to fix any temporary glitches that may be causing the problem. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Type devmgmt.msc in the box and press Enter. Step 3. Expand network adapters. Right click on the problematic driver and select Disable device. Step 4. Wait for a few seconds. Right click on the Ethernet driver again and select Enable devices. If the problem persists, you can try updating the Ethernet driver using the device manager. This will fix issue caused by outdated or buggy drivers. If this issue remains, the Ethernet driver may be corrupted. To fix it, uninstall the Ethernet driver and then restart your PC. Windows will automatically install the missing driver during the boot, and Ethernet should be start working again. Step 4. Change the network profile and turn off metered connection. Changing the network profile on Windows and turning off the meter connection option can also help with issues restricting internet access on your Ethernet connection. To do this, open the setting and head to the network and internet. Then turn off metered connection toggle and change the network profile from public to private. After this, restart your PC, disconnect and reconnect the Ethernet cable properly and check if that fixes the issue. Step 5. Change the DNS server and flush the DNS cache. By default, Windows use the DNS server provided by your ISP. Issues with and default DNS server can sometimes result in a slow or no internet connection. You can try switching to more reliable DNS servers such as Cloudflare or Google DNS to fix this. To change the DNS server, type ncpa.cpl in the search box and hit the enter. In the network connection window, right click on your Ethernet adapter and select properties. Then double click internet protocol version. Select the use the following DNS server addresses option and enter the DNS addresses in the relevant fields. For instances, if you want to use Google DNS, enter a.a.a. as the primary DNS server and as the secondary DNS server. After changing the default servers, make sure you flush your DNS cache. To remove old and bad entries, Windows should now be able to connect the internet without any issue. Step 4. Reset the network settings. If none of the above fixes work and you still see the no internet connection error, consider resetting the network settings. Doing so will restore all network settings on your PC to their defaults, resolving any issue you are experiencing. To reset the network settings on Windows, open the setting app and head to the network and internet. Advanced network settings, network reset, and click reset now. While Ethernet connections are usually more reliable than Wi-Fi, they can still experience issues from time to time. Hopefully, the tips we listened above help fix the issue you are facing and you manage to get your internet connection up and running again. हो गई है